Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
We will be having a casualty and surgery department will remain in old hospital because आमचे आता सध्या CT scan आता हांगाच आसा. नवी CT scan is in process of commissioning. So जेन्ना तें तयार जातलें then that casualty will start. आमचे सगळे कोविड पेशंट आशिल्ले पळय एवरीबडी इज डिस्चार्ज. वी डोंट हॅव एनी एडमिशन्स ऑफ कोविड. पूण घरासून कोणाक प्रॉब्लम आसा एंड एनीवन हू इज होम आयसोलेटेड पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंट दे कॅन कम टू न्यू हॉस्पिटल. वी हॅव अ बे एरिया वेर तेमचे असेसमेंट जातलें and they can be given home isolation kit and then we will decide whether or not they need to be admitted. आमचे third floor आसा which was the covid floor ते अजून आमी खाली दवरलेले आसा. That floor will remain will be empty and in all readiness for if there is third wave. So that should not be any anxiety from public side that आमचे कडे हांगा आमी खाट दवरूंक ना.